Here we have dYdX versus Bitcoin. This one's getting a lot of love recently because there's some interpretations that with China banning whatever the fuck cryptos, that this one's going to be the main beneficiary of that. And fair enough, you know, it does have a pretty damn good chart right here. The problem is we don't really have too much price action history. Daily is still continuation, and we could come up with some areas of interest for this one. I wouldn't necessarily say long term, but coming up out of this region, we this one actually did close above the 1.618 already, so that is good. Probably looking for next move up somewhere around about 50,000 to 55,000 satoshis in this case. Full hour, I would invalidate that with a move back down below about 40,000 satoshis on a closing basis. Hourly is a little bit short-term downside angled. I'd be looking for a move very short-term to 43,500 or so, or 43 even, and probably a bounce there if this one does want to continue. I'm just curious what this is going to look like. Okay, that's not helpful at all. 5-day, you know, looking pretty damn good as well, coming into closure tonight. Again, I wouldn't really make too much off of this, being that it is a super new chart, but at least for the history that we do have, the short term is very, very good. Actually, to see it over here, I kind of want to see it versus the dollar as well. Okay, that's not helpful. There we go. Yeah, short term, very, very short term that is, on an hourly, a little bit corrective. You know, if you're looking at it versus the dollar, maybe right back down somewhere around about 20 bucks even or so. Here's what it's gonna wait to. And let's just see. Yeah, 5 days still pretty damn good right here as well. Yeah, any sort of a closure above about 19 to 20 bucks, especially today, is going to look really, really good coming into early October. 4 hour, yeah, pretty much the same right here. I wouldn't really trust BBWP at this point because it's too new. Hourly is a little bit more corrective. Yeah, somewhere back down around about 19 bucks. Look for a higher low. If that fails, 17.75 to 17.5 bucks, and then watch the daily closure. And that's what I'd say about that. Hopefully that was helpful, sir.